Thank you for choosing Trovato Associates. We look forward to making this transition as smooth as possible. Property inspections are mandatory with every company when purchasing a new property or changing insurance companies. There are two types of property inspections, interior and exterior. They are usually determined by specific characteristics of your home or property and are unique to each company. When an exterior inspection is ordered, the company conducting the inspections does not typically notify you, as you do not need to be present. When an interior inspection is required, this is usually based on the age of the home, and the inspection company will contact you to schedule the appointment.
It's important to understand the purpose of these inspections and why this helps you, the policyholder. The property inspection accomplishes two major facts. It verifies the replacement cost value attached to your policy is accurate, and it's reflecting today's construction rates on rebuilding your dwelling in the event of a total loss. And also, it's used to detect any hazards on your property that would present physical loss or liability exposure. And also, we will not cancel your prior property policy until your inspection comes back acceptable by our underwriting department.
When changing policies, it is not uncommon for your current bank to send you notice that your prior policy has been canceled and that they are looking for proof for new insurance. If you receive this notice, please notify any representative at the Trovato Associates as soon as possible, either by phone, fax, or email. The email is service@TrovatoAssociates.com. Some things to be on the lookout for your auto policy.
You're going to receive a letter from the company about a mandatory photo inspection not being completed. This is just a friendly reminder that photos of your vehicle need to be submitted to us. You're going to be receiving a separate email with photo inspection instructions from our agency.
You will also be receiving an email asking you to electronically sign all appropriate applications and cancellation requests. This process allows you to click and sign without having to print or mail any documents. Once you follow the signature instructions, these documents automatically are sent back to our agency, making things as easy as possible for you. Just be sure to check your junk and spam folder if you don't receive it in your inbox.
If you receive any kind of correspondence from either your leasing company, lien holder, and/or bank, please notify any friendly representative at the Trovato Associates as soon as possible, either by phone, fax, or email, service@TrovatoAssociates.com. If you receive any notice from the Department of Motor Vehicles, a notice of suspension for failure to maintain continuous liability insurance, this is not uncommon. Don't be alarmed. This scenario happens when the electronic notices to the DMV don't sync. We can correct this with a simple notice or electronic filing that clears any suspension order. Please notify any representative here at the Trovato Associates ASAP.
Thank you for choosing Trovato Associates for your insurance needs.